mission impossible. Now this is a tune that's been on my channel for a little while. A lot of people have done different versions of it, but you'll find that the rhythm to it, at least the timing, is different to the original. So the original rhythm went something like that sort of thing, with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 type of beat happening. So what I've done is change it to a that sort of thing. Now, to play that, because that's what we have on the channel already, to play that, what we need to do is play G. Well, I play it with my thumb up there. As an old bloke, I find that a lot easier than doing that all the time. So I just play, it's a 5 chord, just with the octave up the top there, the little finger, plus the third finger on the 5, and the root note here being the G in this case, as I play this whole piece in G. So a lot of you would probably play that 5 chord like that. That's how I'll do it. But anyway, you got the idea. So you have your thumb or your first finger on 3 on the top string, and your third finger, your little finger. Some of you guys are going to like to stretch like that. Good on you. And some of you might just like to use your little finger across like that, or your third finger across the 2 there on the 5th fret like that. So we're going to give that 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, and then we go, and then back to, which is, okay. So now how to do that is we play the 4 on the G on this first chord, this first 5 chord. We're going to play a B flat, which means that we have to change the root note string to the A string, which is the 5th string, 1st fret, 1st finger. Then you're going to use your little finger and your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret on the 2 middle strings, the G and the D string. So you play in tune, you play it like that, and you come up to the C. So 2 frets higher, which makes it 3rd fret for the A string, for the 5th string, and then the 2 middle strings, once again, will be on the 5th fret. So you've got, so far, that's what you're going to do now. Come back to the G, and then F. So you play the F 5 chord, so 1st finger, 1st fret on the 6th string, and your 3rd and your 4th on the 5th and 4th string, playing together with the F here. Then just come up 1 fret, exactly the same, up a fret. The big drama in learning 5 chords when you first start, and I see this a lot with students, is that I'll show them how to do that, and then the first thing they do is start squashing it back. Oh, that's a lot easier. That sort of thing. So we just got to maintain that space there between your root note, the highest string that you're going to play, or the lowest pitch string, and the other 2 notes there. So there's the rhythm. So now that's the rhythm for it. That's the start of it. Then if you're playing the rhythm for this, you'll probably want to play the next part, which is which, let's make it nice and simple. Let's say all we're going to do is just take everything up to C, which is 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th fret for your pointer, and do everything exactly the same. However, let's move on to the next section, and that's the melody, or the lead part of it. So what we're going to do first is play like a G minor chord. There's your first 3 notes. So you're going to play 6 on the 1st string, you're going to play 8 on the 2nd string, and you're going to play 7 on the 3rd string. So 6, 8, 7, descending in pitch but heading up the strings. There's your first 3 notes there. There's the next set of notes, which is 6, next string up, 8, 6. Then you've got the next set of notes, 6, string up, to the 8 and 5, next string up. Then you'll play an F, which is 3rd, on the 4th string, and then play the G, which is 5 on the 4th string. So you go. Then, after a bit of twiddle that I do, you'll come back to and you can enjoy your own little bit of fiddle and twiddle on the neck in the key of G minor, pentatonic, or the blues scale if you want to, or whatever you want to do. Then you're going to play the next sort of weird bit where the notes sound a little bit weird. You're going to, and appropriate, we're going to play the 3rd fret on the 3rd string. There it is. Then the 5th fret on the 4th. Then the 7th on the 2nd. Then 3rd on the 3rd. 5th on the 4th. Then 6th on the 2nd. Then 3rd, again same note, on the 3rd. 5th on the 4th, and then you're going to play the 5th on the 2nd. And then you're going to play 4 and 3 on the 2nd string. Now, the next thing I do is like a sweep of C minor, and then like a 7 or a diminished, and then just a greater spread, whatever you like to do there. But if you just want to play the melody for that, do exactly what you were doing down here with the G, and you just play it up here. You'd find the C and play it there. That's how the tune would really go. And all you do for the end of it, if you want the, you come back to the, sorry, then there's the conclusion. One, 2, 3, 4. So forth. Now there's probably nothing else in there that you might be interested in, only the riff and the melody, or the lead, whatever you'd like to call it. So there's Mission Impossible, and hopefully that's helped you to make your mission a little bit easier to play this tune so that it's not impossible.